Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today and clicking on this video. If you're new here, please be sure to head on down below and subscribe. I would really love that. And if you're feeling it, be sure to leave a thumbs up. That would be awesome. So for today's video, I felt like it was fitting. I wanted to sit down and talk to you about the ways I unwind now that I'm in college. I think it's really important to take time to rest and relax. This has always been something I have not been as good at. And so I made a list of things that I do. I think we all know at this point that taking time for rest, doing things for your mental health is a lot more than just bubble baths and facial masks, although I love those. But I don't know, I also think now recently I've seen people on media really dissing those things, and I'm like, no, if that is how you unwind, that is awesome. But what I did is I realized this year, especially sometimes when I feel bad, it's because I'm just not taking care of myself. And I don't think I'm the only one. When I listen to a lot of other college students, and I know high school students too sometimes we just forget to take care of ourselves. And so these are some things, if you have been feeling down recently, or if you just think you need to take a little time for yourself, these are some things that I highly recommend. The first thing I do when I feel like I need to unwind is a lot of times I just straight up take a nap, in the middle of the day. Granted, as a college student, I do have that kind of flexibility that I know maybe if you're in high school, middle school, school, you can't always just take a nap. But what I've learned now, especially this year, that I have a lot more control over my time, is that time is up to you. What you prioritize is up to you. If you need to rest, take 20 minutes, dang it, turn off your phone, just lay down, give yourself some time. Even if you don't fall asleep, which I know I feel like I've become a little more skilled at naps. Sounds weird, but I'm really good at falling asleep quickly now, which I wasn't before college. However, I would just say, even if you aren't able to fall asleep, just giving your brain that time to shut down, not think about homework, work, relationships, stuff that maybe stresses you out, being able to just turn that off can be really helpful. Shower. Oh my gosh. Obviously, this is really basic, but something about clean hair. Clean hair makes me feel amazing. I mean, also just being clean in general, but a shower is just a really good time to think, to get some clarity. I feel like it, obviously you should be showering anyways, but sometimes when I'm really stressed, I'm you know what, no more homework, I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna start over. After that, I will do a few more things, but I take night showers, and sometimes I actually look forward to the time in the day when I'm going to shower, because it's so good. Go outside. This is something that I also have started doing a lot more of this year, but if you spend time outside, fresh air is so amazing. Even if you can just crack open a window and get some of the wind flowing in, I think that is so important. It's nice to sit outside on a chair, to sit in a hammock, on a blanket, lay out in the sun, whatever. Or honestly, recently, I've really wanted to play Frisbee. I don't know what it is. I'm not very sporty. Not that that's incredibly sporty, but I'm just in the mood to go outside and throw a Frisbee. It feels great. Treat yourself. And when I say treat yourself, in this sense, I literally mean treats, like food. Sometimes when you are feeling or you just want to relax and feel good, sometimes for me that means I'm gonna take myself to Torchy's Tacos because I love their tacos. Or it might mean I'm just gonna make a little mug cake, eat some chocolate. I think that there is so much to be said for eating those little foods that you don't eat all the time. Give yourself one of those, see how you feel then. If that little reward, I think, does a lot. I don't know how much this actually fits, but drink water. Everyone talks about drinking water, but I just don't think people do. I now have my water bottle. Oh, it's over there, otherwise I'd show you. It's too far for me to get it, and I feel like I'm gonna get out of focus. But I carry my water everywhere I go. Every time I go down for a meal, I put in more water, more ice. I drink it especially at breakfast time. I sometimes will drink almost a full water bottle full of water. Put on comfortable clothes. If you aren't already, if you're in your real person clothes, as I call them, this is a real person top. Put on something chill, something one of your favorite t-shirts, because I know you have those. You have all the t-shirts, but then you have the favorite t-shirts. Wear one of those, a clean one. Or if you have been in comfy clothes for too long, the reverse of this is also true. Sometimes it makes you feel really good to just put on a good outfit. Maybe just watch a show you like. I know some people binge watch all the time, but if you don't do that, sit down. You don't have to watch a ton of episodes, maybe you just watch one or two. But sometimes on a busy day or in a stressful week, it's just really fun to sit down and watch an episode of New Girl and be like, wow, I laughed, that's nice. I missed laughing today, I've been too stressed. Doing things like this, it's little things. Obviously, if you are dealing with actual big life things, this may not be the only thing you do, but I still believe that these little things throughout your day are like happy little ways to take care of yourself. Go for a walk. I love this one so much. When I feel super productive and I get my to-do list done really early in the day, I like to like go places. And I'm super bad about actually going out on certain, like on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I don't have class. And so I'm really bad about like leaving the dorm. But even just like last week, I had some errands to run. Like I needed to return something to the Amazon drop off and I needed to do something else. Like sometimes you just gotta get out. And so taking just like a little 10-15 minute walk at least is still like really awesome. Like you're gonna feel good, it's gonna get you that mild cardio in. I know this seems kind of opposite of what we're talking about with like unwinding, relaxing, feeling good, but if you feel like really bad, sometimes I do, instead of like doing something to stop, I do something to be productive. And so maybe if I have felt really bad and I just feel like I'm in a funk, sometimes what I need is to accomplish one thing. Like maybe I have like a pitch due or a short essay I could write, and if there's something I can do in like 20 minutes to like 45 minutes, that's like a short, that doesn't sound short at all, but like in college I feel like that's a short range. But if there's something that you can just like do that's gonna make you feel accomplished, then like get that done, and then let yourself have something else as a reward, and that's gonna make you feel really good. Most importantly, I probably should have said this sooner in the video, but see some of your friends, man. I know like when I feel bad, just seeing my friends cheers me up, and like I don't even always have to say, oh, I don't feel good. Like sometimes you just hang out, you start talking, and then all of a sudden you're laughing, you're having a great time, and it's just like nice and relaxing. And so yeah, always hang out with your friends if you can. I'm really lucky that now that I'm in a dorm, I'm like, my friends all live here. I'm like, nice, you're down the hall from me. But yeah, even if you can't, like maybe call a friend, FaceTime makes life so much easier. And just like hang out and talk to the people you love. Now, that being said, I'm very excited because I'm about to lay out by the pool. That's not like one of the tips, but if you're feeling it, go lay out by the pool because the weather recently, so good. I love it. But yeah, I hope you guys found these helpful. I know that they sound obvious, but I don't think people do them. And this is what I've been doing this year that has like been helping, because it's been like rough. Sometimes things are stressful and like real life happens, and sometimes, especially then, that's when we forget to take care of ourselves. And so today I just want to remind you to do something for yourself. Can you tell I've been watching a lot of Queer Eye and I've been feeling very inspired? Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what you do when you're feeling down to make yourself feel a little bit better. In case I didn't mention it, that would be a really fun way for us all to be like lifting each other up. Also, please subscribe, join the Jam Fam so I can keep seeing you here. That would be so fun. Love interacting with y'all. Love when y'all come watch my videos. It's really great. But yeah, I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!